Hi Leo, welcome back to my channel of stories. Today I'm going to do your online psychic love reading for the month of October. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, take guidelines from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. Let's get started. What are the Leo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Leo? What are the Leo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Leo? What are the Leo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Leo? And we are having here Nine of Wands, King of Cups, King of Wands, the Moon. What are the Leo's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Leo's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? Five of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, Five of Sword, Ace of Wands. What are the mutual energies? Page of Wands, Judgment. These are your cards and sign that could relate to your person. Pisces with this Moon card, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this King of Wands, Nine of Wands, Page of Wands, Ace of Wands, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Five of Swords, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Five of Pentacles, and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Ace of Cups and King of Cups. Let's talk about your person's feeling here, and your person is really hurt, Leo. They are thinking about all their past experience when they get hurt, and now they're vulnerable in front of you. Now this person's guard totally off and dropped, and this person is totally vulnerable in front of you with this Nine of Wands, and they want to impress you, they want to show you how amazing they are. They want to represent their best version, their social status, their charisma, their charm, how amazing they are. They are just showing you they are really amazing, but inside this person is totally invulnerable in front of you. You can hurt them in a really worse ways, Leo. Whatever they are showing you, whatever they are presenting themselves, this is just the surface. Deep down, this person is really hurt, and they're trying to impress you. They want to impress you, and they think like that. The value of love, commitment. They do have a lot of feelings for you, affection for you. They just want to impress you first, then they really want to love you. This person really want to love you because they do have feelings. They're trying to contain their feelings and affection, somehow trying to contain it, trying to ease, try to calm down themselves. But for how long? This person, this is the first card, really vulnerable and just trying to protect themselves from you. Only you can hurt them, and they are really afraid. They are really sure of this thing. You can hurt them in a really deeply and worse way, and this person is really insecure right now. Your person is insecure. They know that if they don't love you, they will lost you. If they love you, maybe you hurt them. They just want to impress you with this, their charisma, their charm, their macho, and all that. But this is not how things works. They think impressing you, being, showing you they are totally strong and they are just in their attitude. No, this person is totally vulnerable and totally their guard totally off. And if they are not giving, they're trying to maintain and contain their feelings and affection, but for how long? They have feelings for you but not giving you love. This is not how they can maintain this stability in their life. They are really afraid. They know that they once, sooner or later, they will lose this grip on their affection and love that they have for you. This is a whole ocean inside them for you, the love. For how long they can hold this love? So this person is trying to impress you, trying to show you they are just amazing and all that, with narcissism. But inside, this person is totally afraid, like a just really afraid and insecure. On the other hand, Leo, you know that you getting that from this person. This person feel abandoned and alone without you. And yes, if you think like that, if you're getting a feel, yes, it's a truth. this person feel alone and suffering and helpless without you. And also this is there is a conflict and fight between you, and if this person try to pick up a fight with you, try to harsh on you, they will get hurt. They will, after that, they will feel this anxieties and these insecurities. If they directly try to impose something on you and you disagree with them, you don't I think you will never agree with them, and this will give them anxieties and repression. Maybe for the moment, heat of the moment, they think they prove their point and prove you wrong, but after that they feel alone and in cold and abandoned. This is they If they try to force something on you, if they try to impose something on you, try to make you feel suffer, it will take them nowhere. This is a backfire on them in upcoming days, and maybe this is happening. This is a complete backfire on this person. And after all this, the tactics and their games and planning, and then this planning is backfire on them and they feel suffer and alone, they try to make you suffer, but it will backfire on them. Ace of Cups, then they offer you their overwhelming emotions and that affection and that love and overwhelming emotions out of their, you know, control. And they don't know how to project, how to represent their feelings and affection. But you can feel that it's totally out of their control. And this, how much they're containing, they will, and also they don't know that you are not loving them. This is the big insecurity and this is a fear. They are really afraid the way you are not loving them, but their affection and love, teary eyes, they are just holding on, that is really overwhelmed by their emotions and affection. New idea in this person's head, passionate beginning they want with you. They want you to talk to them with a really passionate way. They want this passionate beginning with you, and they do have feelings for you. Again, this is a whole new passion for them, totally out of control passion for you. They don't know how to handle this passion that they got for you. And with this Judgment card, you are more open to accept your feelings and whatever destiny, whatever the fate, whatever the happening with you, you are more open to that and want second chance from destiny. Okay, let's see what else we have for you, Leo. What else we have for Leo? And we are having here Temperance, Eight of Swords, Two of Cups. Wow. With this Temperance card, this person try really attract towards your angelic energies, temptation in you. They trying to balance their energies, but they feel this temptation and urge towards you. When they just deeply being positive, they really attract towards you. And with this Eight of Sword, you know that this person is an overthinker. Always think about a certain point too much and totally ruin their main purpose. So you know that this person is overthinking, stuck in their own brain, thinking about too much, want to do something, really pressurized, really want to do something, but their thoughts and their feelings hold them back. Especially their thoughts, their overthinking, holding them back. And this person want to reunite with you. The result, whatever happened between you two, reunion between you two in upcoming days. This person, when they feel this temptation, this when they meditate, and in this meditation they feel like that you are the most angelic, you are an angel. So they want to reunite with you. The result, eventually whatever happened between you two, there is a reunion between you two with this Two of Cups. Let's see what else we have for you, Leo, and what should you do about this situation. What else we have for you? More energies. Four of Pentacles, Strength, and Temperance. With this Four of Pentacles, this person feel like that you cutting them off. You are not talking to them. You are ignoring them. It's not like that. You just reserve yourself. But they think like that You are not in a mood to talk to them. You are playing your cards close to your chest, and you, whatever you got, you are happy and thankful for that. You reserve yourself, and yes, you are really strong in this person's matter. You become more stable and strong. You need to be strong. You have to be strong in order to get this person at your turns. So this person trying to find balance. They are just trying to really, concentrating on this thing. They want to maintain these energies. They want to maintain the positive energies. And you really, this is again in this person's chart. Whenever they try to meditate themselves, they think about the first thought, you are the, in the end, the conclusion, you are an angel. They totally attract towards you. You are really strong, you are reserve yourself. If they try to impose something on you, they will, get their karma. Let's see what else we have. What your angel want to add in this reading? I am helping you heal physical challenge in yourself and others. You are a healer like me. Wow, you can heal them. Only you can, Leo. Let's see what else we have for you. No need to fix, no to accept. Scream out your pain. Cure your heart. Forget it. These are few advice messages in the end, and summary of your reading is finding balance without you. Forget that, buddy. And this person is really hurt, insecure. You are not loving them. They're trying to show you their best version, trying to impress you, but you are not loving them. They try to impose something, but in the end, they feel like that they are totally alone and left in cold. And that will trigger their overwhelming emotions for you, and they want to have a new passionate beginning with you. You know that this person is a overthinking, and you become more strong. They want balance in their life, but it's not that easy without you. You are the angel of their life. These are summaries of your readings of this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.